Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel in Expert Coding. So how are you? I hope you will be good. So today again I have come with a new video. How to make sky blue design using Python coding. How to make a sky blue design from Python coding. So I am Amarjeet. Now you are watching Expert Coding. So today I tell you how to make a sky blue design from Python coding. Do you want to know? Then watch full video. Don't skip this video. So let's go write our program. So I will go to desktop screen and open your pycharm. I open our pycharm and here create a class a sky blue dot py. I am already created a class. Only here write program. So let's go write our program. First write import. First write import turtle st and hit enter. And here write give background color bg color. I give bg color black. I give bg color black background color and hit enter. And color, which color? Design color. Design color. Design color. Which color I give? I give cyan. I give cyan and hit enter. Now give a speed. Now give a speed 0. And then put a pen size. Then take pen size. Then take pen size 2. Pen size 2 and hit enter. And here using for loop. So here write for loop for I in range. For I in range, here take 600. You can take 500, 400, 800. Normally I did here 600. So here write if I modulus if I modulus 5 is equal to 0. Then if I modulus 5 is equal to 0, then T dot LT. How much? 3. And hit enter. And here T dot FD. Put it 200 and hit enter. And again T dot LT. Here 360. 360 by 5. 360 by 5. And my program is successfully completed. Done. So here I will write done. And my program is successfully completed. Only 12 line program. You can make easily this type sun blue, a sky blue design. You can make easily. So now go to run the program. So run the program. Yes, looking is good. You can see and watch. You can make easily this program. So you can see looking is very beautiful, like plate type design, a sky blue. So very beautiful design. So you can make easily. I hope you are understood this program. This um, if you like the video, then like, share, and subscribe the channel. If you have any problem, you can say in comment box. I will give reply. So thank you for watching. Thank you, friend.